Okay, people, I want you to know about this guy. It's called Accessory Guy Store. I purchased this item right here. My cell phone. Got like a little, let me enlarge it. Got like a money slot right there for 3 of them, or a photo or something like that. The problem is the slots fell apart. And that's that little blue thing here. Got that one and plus another one, but I had to put it back in there, super glue it, because they said I had a year on this and they would not refund me. And go back. I purchased this back in August 5, 2002. Said I had a year on this, but yet they don't vouch for it now. They say I got 30 days, which everybody know on eBay you only got 30 days. And down here, where is it? Right here. Average the last 12 months. Haven't even been 5 months. Fell apart. The seams even falling apart on it and everything else. And just like right here, you see this. Within 30 days from the date of purchase. But they told me I had a year. They ain't vouching for it. That's what it looked like. You can even lay it down. It's for a 5G Motorola 5G. It's a good case, but it fell apart. I'm not buying another one from this person. And now, you can see the price of it now. And what it was price was $6.33. The price had to jump up. They are scamming now, like everybody else is in the world. Be aware of this guy. Again, it's Accessory Guy Store on eBay. Watch out, they sell you stuff, refabricate it, or whatever it is, they refurbish it and then sell it for a high price, which is not worth it. It falls apart. Look out for them.